Hi my loves, welcome back. My glass is so dirty, don't know if it's going to show up on camera, but I'm just now staring into this window realising how dirty they are because there's been little hands all over them. But anyway, so I didn't vlog yesterday for the first time in like a month because we just had a bit of a shitty day. Lots of things transpired. We had a rubbish day. Baby's been teething. She had me up every hour the night before, and yeah, I just couldn't get a few hours at my laptop as well to edit the day before's vlog because yeah, the baby just needed me. But today we are up and we are going to head back down south today, so by the end of the day we should be back in our barn. And yeah, so even though it's a road trip day, there will be some nice bits at the end, I'm hoping. Yes, we are going to try and get out of here at a decent time, so I need to get ready quickly and get my stuff into a bag. Yeah. Hi my loves. So we are all packed and in the car. Took us a wee while, as you can imagine. We've got a very tired baby in the back. So yes, we're ready for trip down south, back to the farm. I am excited to arrive and get everything sorted. I think the next day or so will be a lot of sorting, so that everything is nice for Christmas. But I am going to attempt to do some editing now. I do have a fully charged laptop, so we'll see how we go. Hopefully I can get some done. Welcome back to this familiar environment. So we're back. I've just finished my video. I basically did all of it in the car, but I wanted to color grade it and stuff here because the rendering takes so much out of my laptop. Just a little bit of video editing speak for you all. We've arrived back, so Zach and I are going to try and power through stuff, because if we just sit even for 1 second, nothing's going to get done and everything's going to be a mess for Christmas, which is going to be rubbish. Anyway, obviously first on my priority list apparently is getting these batteries out of the many packages we've got hanging around to put in my water spinners, which I've now discovered is the term for them. So I'm going to put those in my water spinners now and light them up. Just rectified a slight mouse problem, just one hanging out in our bedroom, but our Christmas bedding's on. How cute, it's got little nutcrackers on. It's from M&S. Looking very cozy in here. I don't know, so we've managed to unpack our clothes more or less. I think I'm going to hang some stuff up still. Nothing is done down here, but we wanted to get upstairs done just so the baby could go to bed. Hopefully we're going to see how this tent works and see if it is, you know, functional to contain her so that we can do stuff downstairs. We will see, and so we don't disturb her. Anyway, it's baby's bedtime, that's why bath is running. I've got some bits to do before she goes down. Right, my loves, I will enhance my voice if I can. But baby is in her cot, her new cot, in her little slumber pod. When I popped my head in as I was putting her down, I could no longer hear the bath running, so that was good. I've got the white noise machine in the tent thing. Check the decibel level, don't worry. And then it was very nice and dark, and you can no longer hear the bath. But the only problem was it smelled really new, like it smelled a new cot. So I probably should have left the tent off whilst we were gone, just so that it could air out a bit, because I think that it's the smell that will confuse her. But anyway, just running a bath. So Zach's got this on for me. I actually think I'm going to do you a library barn tour tomorrow. I've decided that I'm going to vlog Christmas Eve so that you do have 24 videos. We'll get a nice little, maybe we'll do some wrapping together, do a nice little barn tour once we've got rid of Cardboard City, all the presents. I think that'll be nice for us to do so. That is the plan. I've got to finish unpacking, we've got to go to the shop and get a few bits, and I've obviously got to edit a couple of videos, so we'll see how we get on tomorrow. But I'm very excited for my bath because my back has been really bothering me, so super excited to get in and chill for a bit. Time for me to hop in the bath. We do not have any bath stuff, hence why it's looking a little pathetic. That is top of my Christmas list, is new bath stuff, because I've completely run out. I'm going to read a little bit of my book, Strange Bird. First time I'm going to be reading a book in a long time because we've been so busy, and I'm excited. So my loves, I'm out of the bath. Zach put a fresh log on the fire, which was a bit of a mistake because it did wake the baby up because it suddenly started crackling really loudly, but he managed to resettle her, which all the parents out there, if you're the person that resettles the baby, the only person the baby will settle for, you'll know how big of a win that is. Even if it doesn't last very long, it's just such a big difference from just screaming bloody murder when it isn't, their preferred sleep settler. Case about that, I've also been reunited with my beloved moisturiser that I left here last time, the Organic Calendula Dr. Organic Moisturiser, and I love it so much I actually ordered like 3 more of them so I could have them everywhere. It's one of those packages out there. Vlogging in this room just brings back such strong pregnancy memories. It's such a strong association. Like, I wonder if it'll go away. It will surely go away, but it just reminds me of last winter so strongly, which is was such a strange time for so many reasons. And like lockdown 3, such a weird time. Yes, I am gonna brush my teeth. There's a few more bits to do down here, but we've actually done a lot of our unpacking, which is really good news. I thought that would be something we would have to do tomorrow, but we managed to do our clothes upstairs whilst baby was awake. There's a few bits, I still have to hang some bits up, so I'll do that tomorrow. But yeah, there's a few bits down here, but actually most of it is done. So I'm really pleased about that because, yeah, that's all I'm less need to do tomorrow. So my loves, I think that's it for the day, to be honest. I'm going to head to bed. Thank you so much for watching today. I'm looking forward to seeing you all again tomorrow. Look how cozy it looks. I've got a bunch of crap on this window ledge because that's to go over to the main house. But look how cozy it looks. So nice. Don't want to jinx it, but having the slumber pod is so good, just simply from a light perspective. Like, we're still trying to keep quietish down here, and obviously she did wake up when there was crackling logs, but just to be able to have some lights on so we can go about some things makes such a huge difference. We'll see how we get on with it over the Christmas period, but yeah, it is kind of revolutionary to have lights on down here and be able to do stuff because she is a baby that needs the dark. And yeah, I think I might read in bed because again, I could maybe have my bedside lamp on and do a little bit of reading and relaxing. But thank you so much for watching today. I will see you again tomorrow. I'm excited. Christmas Eve tomorrow. I can't believe it's here. It's crazy. Bye.